Okay, we're on Baba Kama Perek Gimel Mishnah Bet, second Mishnah in the third chapter of Masechet Baba Kama. We're continuing talking about damage that a person causes by putting a bore, a bore is a pit, but putting an obstacle in the public thoroughfare. If you put one there, you're obligated for it. So we learned in the last Mishnah about Haminiach etakad b'shuta rabbi. You put down your jug in the public thoroughfare and somebody else walks into it. What happens? A person does something else. Hashofech mayim b'shuta rabbi. You pour water in Rishuta Rabbim, i.e., usually it's for the sewage. Okay? Another person is damaged, he slips. Chayab ben Yizkar, you're chayab. So isn't that obvious? Of course, if you pour something, if you intentionally put something, even like if you are, watering your lawn or whatever, and you make it slippery, like you're obligated in damage. Let's say, I live in a cold community, and I decide I'm going to spray water and intentionally make my sidewalk icy. Avagav de b'shut ka'avid, you're allowed to water are you allowed to water your sidewalk? Who knows? Kigon b'yimot ha'geshamim, so in their days, like in the rainy season, shemutar lishpoch mayim b'shut rabim, it was understood that you could pour water. Afilu hachi im huzak be'macher chayab b'nisko. Nonetheless, if somebody else is damaged by your actions, you're obligated, you have to pay. But in addition, they had walls. They had, like in Yerushalayim, like in Israel, they have these like big walls. So the walls are made of these huge rocks of stone walls, and they would stick things in there. So hamatzniya etakot. Kots are thorns. You hide thorns. Betaschuchit or glass. They didn't have very smooth glass. They had glass shards. Hagoderet gidroba kotzim, or you geder is a wall. You make your wall with kotzim, with thorns. Or v'geder shenafal l'shuta rabim, or a wall that fell into the public thoroughfare. Meaning, you had all these things, okay, and somebody he walks up against the wall and he gets cut or he gets hurt. Who's kubehem acheirim? And somebody else gets damaged. Chayab b'nizkan, you're obligated. Okay, these are all when goder gidroba kotzim v'hifrichan l'shuta rabim, when they stick out into the public thoroughfare. Aval hamitzamtzei betoch shalov uzak v'macher patur. Okay, but if it's in your private property and somebody bumps into it, then you're patur. She'ein derech b'nei adam litchakek b'ktalim. People don't bump into walls generally. But so if you're matzniya takos, you put the thorn sticks out. If it sticks into the thoroughfare, then obviously you're obligated because you should have made a stronger effort to prevent other people from getting hurt with your thorns. Stop here. As we always do, dedicate our learning to the memory of my father, Harav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a great day.